How did diet dramatically transform agouti mice through epigenetics? Imagine a tiny mouse with a bright yellow coat suddenly turning brown just because its mother changed what she ate. This surprising change shows how diet can influence genes without changing the DNA itself. In agouti mice, coat color and obesity are linked to the activity of a gene called the agouti gene. Normally, this gene is kept in check by a process called DNA methylation, where tiny chemical groups called methyl groups are added to the DNA to turn genes off. When the agouti gene is heavily methylated, the mice have brown fur and stay at a healthy weight. But if methylation is reduced, the gene turns on more, making the mice yellow and more prone to obesity. What makes this so fascinating is that what the mother eats during pregnancy can change how much methylation happens at the agouti gene. Foods rich in methyl donors like folic acid, vitamin B12, choline, and betaine help increase methylation. When pregnant mice eat diets high in these nutrients, their babies are more likely to have brown fur and stay slim. If the diet lacks these nutrients, the offspring tend to be yellow and heavier. Scientists also found that adding compounds like genistein, a substance in soy, can boost methylation. This means that diet not only affects immediate health but can also influence traits passed down to future generations. These changes happen during early development, when the body is forming, and they tend to last into adulthood. This example shows how environmental factors like food can turn genes on or off through epigenetic marks. It highlights that our health and traits are shaped not just by our genes but also by what we eat. For families interested in hereditary health, this means that nutrition during pregnancy could influence the risk of certain disorders in children. It's a reminder that a healthy diet can have lasting effects beyond just the mother and child, potentially affecting future generations. So, the way diet changed agouti mice is a perfect example of how epigenetics works. By altering DNA methylation at specific genes, diet can change physical traits and health risks without touching the underlying genetic code. This discovery helps us understand how environment and genetics work together to shape health outcomes across generations.